Hi there, I am Varun and in today's video I am going to show you how to create captivating short story videos using AI and most importantly how you can turn this creative passion into a stream of income. We will dive into the best AI tools for generating story ideas, creating stunning visuals and adding that perfect narration. Plus I will share insider tips on where to upload your videos, how to market them effectively and monetize your efforts to start earning from your creativity. This is a step-by-step video, so don't skip any part of the video, follow all the steps carefully and watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first we need a script for short story. For that we will use Gemini AI. This is free. Open this URL. You will find all the links that I use in this video in the description. Now write this prompt to create short story script. Generate me a imaginative Disney story in one paragraph in easy English. Your short story script is generated. Now we need some prompt to generate images for short story. So again in the Gemini, write this prompt. Generate me 9-10 prompts of images for this story for generating images in Leonardo AI. This will generate 9 to 10 prompts that you can use in Leonardo AI to generate images for your story. Now we will use Leonardo AI to generate images. Open this website Leonardo AI. You will get 150 credits every day to generate free images. Copy a prompt from Gemini and paste it here in Leonardo AI website. Change the model to 3D animation style. Select number of images to 4. Select aspect ratio 9:16. Click on generate button. This will generate 4 images. Download the image you like. Repeat the same process for other prompts that you have generated in Gemini AI to generate images. Now we need to animate those images so it will look more interesting and engaging. To animate image, open Runway ML. Click on Try Runway for free. Click on Generate Videos. Then click on Image to Video. Click on Upload a file. Now select image that you have generated in Leonardo AI. Image is loading. Click on Generate 4S button. This will convert your image to a 4-second video. Now your video is ready. Click on Download icon to download the video. Click on Delete here and repeat the process for another image to generate video and do same with all the other images. Now it's time to edit the video. For that, I will use a famous editing software called CapCut. This is a free software. If it's banned in your country or you are not able to download this software, you can use free VPN like Proton VPN to use this. Just go to the CapCut website and download the software. First, I will generate voiceover for my video. Click on text, add text, default text, copy your story script from Gemini and paste it here. Click on text to speech. Select any voice that you like. I will choose male scientist.
Chefs had a skew, accidentally knocks over a...
Click on start reading to add it to the timeline. Now click on add media to import videos. Click import and select all videos. Drag and drop videos one by one and adjust it on the timeline according to the audio. Now add subtitles. Click on text again. Click on auto caption and click on generate.
In a bustling bakery run by a...
Click on text, then effects and select any style that you like. Click on animation and then select any animation style that you like. I will select bounce out, apply this animation style to all the text. Now select the first clip. Click on animation and make sure combo is selected and select any animation style that you like. Repeat the same process to apply different animation style to the rest of the clips. Click on filter and click on clear to add it to the timeline and stretch that to the whole timeline to apply this filter to the whole video. Now time to add background audio. Click on audio and select the audio you like. Reduce the volume. Now your video is ready. Export your video and upload it to your channel.
In a bustling bakery run by a family of talking mice, Remy, the youngest, with his chefs, had a skew, accidentally knocks over a basket of blueberries, sending them tumbling through a swirling funnel cake machine. Out pops a fluffy purple pastry with blueberry eyes, who befriends Remy and dreams of becoming the tastiest treat in the bakery, not realizing she's the star ingredient.
So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how to create quiz video easily for free, be sure to check out this video. That's it for today's video. We will see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and stay tuned for more content creation tips.